Hello traders. In front of you Tuesday, August 1st, major news. ISM manufacturing PMI just came out, 46.4. All the others are pending. Another negative news. Another pending. What did we know before the news? This is Alpha Fibonacci system in front of you. We discussed with students, move continues up. Again, this is crucial key level to the downside. So what will the price will do at this level is the key. As bullish trade reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. We need powerful selling pressure. We need for the price to crush. This is a crucial key event in your trading. And you know this far in advance. We've been in the markets for the last 30 minutes. We recorded prior video. So again, if this level remains intact, sellers are weak. We're monitoring for sell-off. We're monitoring for crash. Price at the bold red zone. Price at reversal zone on day trading chart. Intelligent trader does not buy this level. Intelligent trader monitors powerful pullback. But again and again and again, if this level remains intact, sellers are weak. That's it. All of this well before the news. So here's another news came out. Nothing green whatsoever. All red or as expected. But price is stuck in pain. Overextended rally. Not selling off. This is a key event to the downside. That's it. So this is how trader tested to the core. Again, well before major news, price was at critical key reversal zone from the long trade, reaching critical bold red zone as well. So powerful bearish pullback, selling pressure is crucial. Price moves one step at a time. Here we go. You knew this is the only option. There is nothing else. That's it. You're extremely clear. Well before the news, this was not the place to buy the market. Correct? Price always moves one step at a time. This is the only option. There is nothing else. So can you trade markets as chess with ultimate precision? If you can drive, if you can stay in your lane, if you can hit the brakes at the red, that's it. You can trade Alpha Fibonacci system with the software for NinjaTrader 8. This is the only option. Market not selling off, and we discussed it with students. Weak, bearish pullback only. Test is on. Price is stuck in extremely limited trading range. So here's a software projected on 1-minute chart to the tick. What do you see with the software? Very important moment. As we're discussing with my traders, caution please. This level defines seller's weakness. Intelligent trader understands where weakness is coming from. That's where price is stuck. After this, after this. Hand holding in trading, never a recipe for success. Alpha Fibonacci rules with precision are. That's it. Crash and burn as low as possible. This is ideal. But first things are first. Price always moves one step at a time. So if you took that short, take the profits of the table and move the stop outside of break even. Because from this level, price reverses to the upside 80+% of the time. Do you remember that event? Do you remember what played out? I keep projecting software on one. I keep reminding you the precision again and again and again. That's it. And that simplicity and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci software during major, massive news. Again, to recap, in prior video we discussed with students that long trade reached reversal zone. In prior video, since the market opened, we discussed this is not the place to buy the market. This is a place to monitor for short. Again, I can project on any chart, on 3, on 10, on 5, on 15. You understand and know this far in advance, as you understand and know where buyers would step in from. So what playing out in front of you is critical and crucial. Stunning reminder. The only thing you ever need in trading is pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exit. So if the buyers step in, it's because price reached reversal zone. That's it. Intelligent trader understand only when you trade with rules, with ultimate precision and simplicity, you become successful. Time and time again. There is zero reason to stare at the charts, there is zero reason to speculate and gamble. Remember Harvard study? The number one predictor of success, who is next to you? If you're in a circle of 3 successful traders, you become number 4. But if you look around and everyone around you gambles and everyone around you chases junky delayed indicators, you become one of them. Choice is yours. You want to become top 5%. Stop doing what the bottom 95% does. When you trade pure price, you feel freedom. You feel joy of trading. That's it. Again, I can project this on any chart. Again, you decide what chart appropriate for you and your account and your psychological comfort. Again, price came to reversal zone, price came to the bold green zone. If you still remain in a trade, your trail is very, very close. You are not surprised if price will skyrocket from this level. And that's ultimate precision on S&P Mini Future during major news. And that's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. So as price reverses from the bottom, this is exact same thing Amazon have done. What is the difference? There is no software on this chart. You can apply this to Fidelity, to Interactive Brokers, to Thinkorswim. You short the top, no matter how spectacular the earnings are. Amazon is not safe haven. Neither are news or indicators. Safe haven lies in you, and when you start using your limitless brain, and you have circle of successful, intelligent traders, everything changes. You sell the top and you buy the bottom. And you know this far in advance. And if you don't want to trade Amazon and S&P, trade Forex. Of course you can. Buy the bottom. And when rules are met, short euro at the top. And again, trade US dollar. Sell-off on US dollar came from reversal zone. That's it. But where buyers coming from is no surprise. Critical key level on US dollar. So there's been a spectacular morning on August 1st. So if you're done gambling, done speculating, and ready to become a successful, intelligent trader, I look forward to working with you. View movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 12 years and review everything on the website. This is a proprietary system I developed in 2008. System traded globally by traders from beginner to hedge fund trader. Your students' emails I receive and understand. If these traders can do it, so can you, on all time frames, all instruments, all platforms, from 14 to 80 plus year old. Private mentoring, I have one spot left. Savings $8,000. Group course savings $5,000. Every option includes hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. Lifetime system for all platforms, option 2 and 4. Lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8 as well. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I'm wishing you a very profitable month of August as markets setting up for extreme events this fall. Ultimate time to prepare. Ultimate time to learn.